Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how to use the Net Payout Days function inside the Cash Flow Manager.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the home page of the Deberoo platform, and in this video you will learn how to use the Net Payout Days option inside the Cash Flow Manager. So first, let's go to the Cash Flow Manager by going to the Advertising tab and clicking on Cash Flow Manager. And right here you will see the Net Payout Days. So this is going to be different for every affiliate network. Basically what it does is when you receive a payout weekly or monthly, it usually takes a couple of days for the affiliate network to transfer their money to your bank account. Alright, so that could be because they're holding the money for a while, or that could be because they need to transfer it and there's some time in between there. However, it is very important that you include these net payout days inside your cash flow calculation, because you might have to wait a couple more days on your money that you have earned. So you don't want to run out all your budget if there's still money to come, because then the campaign would stop running, of course. So that's not what we want, and that's why you can use the net payout days. And the net payout days is basically just a delay on the payments. So for example, if it's 7 and it's set on weekly like it is right now, that means that you will get paid on day 14. First, because it's set weekly, but there's also a 7-day delay. So that's how you use the net payout days inside the Cash Flow Manager.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.